Have you heard the expression, you become what you think about most? Our thoughts have power. Would you like a tool to navigate the rough terrain we call life? Then stick around and watch this video. I will walk you through exactly what I mean and how it can help you create a positive mindset. If you do not know me yet, my name is Heidi. I am a mindset coach and creator of Rise, Love, Live, encouraging you to rise to the occasion, love everyone, and live a life worth living. My channel is a safe environment full of encouragement, enlightenment, and tools for growth and transformation. Congratulations! You made it to Thursday, or whatever day it may be for you. Celebrate your weekly tadas. Share your accomplishments with us in the comments below so that we can celebrate with you. You may be asking, why celebrate midweek or even mid-month? Well, we are giving our brain, our mind, a motivational pat on the back. When you focus your attention on what you have completed versus not, this becomes a fabulously easy way to give yourself a boost of positive thinking. It also removes the attention from your stressful and negative thoughts of the to-dos that remain on your list. Inherent in every intention and desire is the mechanics for its fulfillment. Intention and desire in the field of pure potentiality have infinite organizing power. And when we introduce an intention in the fertile ground of pure potentiality, we put this infinite organizing power to work for us. Wise words from Deepak. Simply put, you become what you think about most, giving you the power to think and believe that you can accomplish anything. The act of setting an intention is very similar to our practice of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements about ourselves, while an intention is a positive statement regarding a goal or dream of ours. Then we have manifesting. Manifestation is the act of setting an intention by making a positive statement, a goal, wish, or dream, and then believing it as if it is already true. Here is a simple practice for you to set an intention. Begin in a comfortable position. Sit in your favorite meditation chair or pillow. Place your hands in your lap with palms facing up. Take 3 deep breaths. And then relax. Allow your breath to become natural. Once you enter into a state of calm, you should be ready to begin. Be specific with your intention. Be positive and allow yourself to dream big. I intend to see the goodness around me. I intend to be kind. I intend to change the world. Take in 3 deep breaths and reflect with gratitude. If you found this video inspirational, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when a new video is published every Thursday afternoon. Thank you for watching, and until next week, peace and blessings.